What's that? What's that stuff? Not you, Puck. Jeez. What you doing? You're making a mess. You're making a mess.
All right, first food. What do you think? Yeah, you want hot dogs?
You want more? You like it? Oh, no, no, honey. Honey. You like it? Who likes it? He knows what it's for. Say, I'm all about that. I like food. What you think? Messy face. Look at that messy face.